Are you in your 20s or 30s and thinking you'll figure out money later? Stop right there, because the choices you make today will decide if you retire wealthy or broke. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. Even saving 20,000 TZS a month in an investment fund can grow into millions thanks to compound interest. Whenever you get paid, salary, biashara, or side hustle, take out 10-20% first and put it aside automatically. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Avoid pressure. You don't need every new phone or weekend out. Financial peace is worth more than likes. Life happens. Job loss, sickness, or emergencies. Build a safety net by saving 3-6 months of expenses in a separate account. In East Africa, we mostly use debit cards, and that's good. Never borrow for luxuries. Only borrow for things that grow your income, like a business or education. Saving alone won't build wealth. Investing will. Platforms like UTT Amos or government bonds let your money compound. Even small monthly investments grow massively over 10-20 years. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Skip get-rich-quick traps. Be consistent, patient, and focused. Your future self will thank you. If this made sense, share it with a friend. Remember, financial freedom starts with one smart decision today.